Under System, Role Management, you can find a list of permissions, and I will describe the functions to you. Visible means that the folder and document are visible to the user. Browse document is allowing viewing contents of the document. Without permission, the contents of the folder will not be visible. Add allows for adding documents. Update allows certain values within properties to be updated, like keywords, classification, description, categories, and system fields. Delete allows deleting the document. Copy allows copy, move, cut options. And the target folder must also have add permission to be pasted into. Download allows for downloading documents. Checkout allows checking in and out of the documents. Audit trail allows for viewing of the audit trail of documents. Version history allows viewing of the previous versions of the document. Notification allows for notification emails to be sent to corresponding users if changes to the document occurred. Permission allows setting of the permissions of the document. Archive allows the documents to be archived. Let's take a look at how to create a user. Go to System, User Group Management, and New User. We'll make a user ID of Kevin K, and set a password. We'll make him a casual user with a status of active and save. Now we have a Kevin user created. All of the system groups have different functionalities, and you can find their functions in the admin manual. But you can also create your own groups and give them your own custom role or functions. Now we're going to look at users, user groups, and permissions in an actual example. So let's say we want to create a blocked list for a certain folder of users. So we'll go to User Group Management, create a new group called Blocked. Now go to Role Management, and we'll make a role called Blocked. And since it's blocked, we don't want to give him any functions. So go back to corporate and say you want, take a look at the contents inside sticky. We have a lot of stuff. We don't want a certain user to see any of it. So go to permission, delete all users, add group called blocked, and make the role for the group name blocked. Save. And now we'll log on as Kevin, the user we just created. Okay. And now we're going to take a look at, as you can see, we cannot find the folder for sticky. Now let's remove ourselves from that list. Go to permission, remove blocked, add a group called all users so that we can make it a reader, save, go back to Kevin, and refresh. As you can see, sticky is back and we can see all the stuff inside. So that's how this works. Another example is, let's say we want to create a folder that only the accounting department can see. We would do it like so. So first go to User Group Management. Let's create a new group. Under General Groups, we'll call it Accounting Department. So here, let's add our new user called Test1 into the accounting department. And then next go to Role Management. We have to create a role for the accounting department. So we'll call it Accountants. And let's give it all the power that possible. Alright, and now go back to your main folder let's create a folder called, under corporate, we'll call it accounting stuff, and should be good. So set the permission for it, delete all the other stuff, add new group, call it accounting department, and the role will be accountants. Apply to sub item. So now let's put invoices into it. Drag and drop. So now let's log on to tester. Tester 1. As you can see, accounting stuff. I can do any of the actions I want to all the stuff in here. But let's say we log on to Kevin. Or any other user for that matter that is not in the group accounting. We cannot see the accounting folder. Now back to admin. Anyone who is not inside the accounting department group cannot see that folder. So you could add all your accountants into the accounting department folder, and that way everyone will be able to everyone inside the accounting department group can see that folder and make all changes to it.